ditches. At least trying to. Remember a few years back when these posts here weren't in this ditch. Sure made a lot easier making hay off the ditch and then freaking posts in the way. But nothing I can do about it. Yeah, never was posts there my entire life until, oh, what, 4 years ago? They put these lines in that connect a different substation, so if they ever had a substation go down, they could redirect the power back. So either which way, the one in Goodyear, the one in Lena. So that's why they did that. So, but oh well, nothing I can do about it. Just like it, I liked it a lot better when the highway wasn't black, or the road wasn't blacktop. We didn't blacktop that till, oh, I think it was like 2003. And there was another reason for that, why they blacktopped it. I think I've said this before in other videos. It was so you could divert traffic off of another highway in case there was an accident or something happened or whatever. They could reroute traffic. That's why they made this blacktop here. So, well, I'm gonna keep braking here. I gotta get up to that, all the way up to the highway, one pass, and the waterways, the neighbors. And get the baler out. Oh, there's a rut right there. And see if I can fiddle further on with that knotter and see if I can get that working here. I know I'm going to have to be baling straw here shortly. The guy I do some custom work for, he's got over 100 acres of straw. So that'll be coming up. I'll make sure I get that knotter working for that. But I finished last year with a knotter broke on baling his straw. Didn't actually break. It's, I don't know, just I gotta get it so it holds the strain. So figure that out, I guess, when we get to it. Alright, we'll bring you guys back a little bit. Down here in the waterway now. Stuff's so heavy it's plugging up on this rake. Got a hell of a windrow when you run two of them together. When it gets like that, makes a bunch. That's real fun to bale. Alright guys, got the ditches all raked here. And take the 44 off the disc spine. Just gonna show Bruce from A Girl and a Cow's how my disc spine hooks up. I've shown it before, but he's got a hitch style on his, so he's got to jack it up and line it up. And this is way more easier, so you just drop your arms back up, lift it up, put your pins out, and you're ready to go. So, alright. This on, get the baler on, and see if I can get that knotter to work or not. Alright, I'm back here messing with the knotters. And the only thing I can see here is this piece here, this backing piece here, is kicked out this way more than all the rest. It's set in there. There's only one place it can sit. So I don't really understand why all the rest of them are set back farther this way. And I lifted it up and looked at it. Nothing's bent. So I'm going to try it. Because this twine holder here, or the cleaner and the twine holders here, it's all the rest of them are flush here. And the way I had it originally set was you're supposed to measure the gap from here to here, but then this was too far down and it wasn't holding the twine. If it makes any sense to you guys or not, but so I'm gonna try that adjustment. The book says nothing on, there's no way to adjust this back piece. It's set, you just set it in there. It's got grooves on the side here, and there's a pin on the back side that it sits on. So that's just set from factory. There's no adjusting on that. But I guess we'll see how that works. Not the thing I'm going to do, I'm going to just take a nodder off the old baler sitting out back once, take a couple of them off maybe, and just replace that whole nodder. See what that does. I don't know, but that's what I'm working on here. Trying to get smarter by reading a book, and that ain't working. Alright, well, I'll get this back here tightened up, run the twine through, and stick some hay in it, see what it does, what it tells me. Yay or nay, I guess. Alright, I just bailed a little bit here, starting to bail out. Off the gate. Gate's down. First bail always looks retarded. Well, let's see if this sucker will grab the twine. Oh, she grabbed the twine. Kind of. It's kind of tore up. I don't know why it's tore up. But see what it does, I guess. But it's holding on to it. Get everything threaded through, right? Man. Let me bring you guys back here a little bit. Okay, we'll check it out here. First bale's on the road. It's just bone dry. And she pulled the string through. That is the same on that one. I don't know. Make another one here, I guess. Be nice to be able to ride back here and watch it. Oh, try another one. Might get this sucker to tire now. Moisture sensor on the baler, and well, it was below 7% moisture. must almost have to wait. It's too dry. Something's going wrong with my pressure, my chamber pressures. Getting a bale every 25 feet. And I keep losing chamber pressure. It's just dropping all by itself. Don't know what that's all about. Plug the feeder housing. Do the wiggle jiggle, right, Ed? There she went. Well, the slug. Huh. Oh, the big pile of hay. Well, alright, well, if I figure it out or not, seems to me it's like a sensor problem. It's not telling it what to do for pressure. Never had that before, so. The way it seems that I can correct it is I shut the monitor off, turn it back on, and then it kind of straightens out again, so. I don't know. Always something. These are my solenoids for my chamber pressure. This one's hot. You can't hold your finger on there no longer. This one next to it's just fine. So I'm wondering if this solenoid here is burning out. There's no reason for it to get that hot. Well. Alright. Starting to kind of work again, but it's not making the best bales. They're not the tightest bales. They're not, well, but it's baling. So that number is supposed to be about 180. So I'm gonna have a lot of squishy bales, I guess. If I knew there wasn't rain coming, I'd probably see if I get a solenoid and coming right away and tomorrow or whatever. But since there's a chance of rain coming tonight and tomorrow, and this stuff's in a waterway, and it's dry. Kind of one of those deals, damned if you do, you're damned if you don't, kind of thing. Come on, suck it around these huts. Yeah, they're not bad, but I got a lot of bales. I don't know, maybe I only got so far. 36. Yeah. So that's what I'm doing now. They're not real fun to load, they're not real fun to haul, and they ain't real fun to stack when they're squishy, but I guess it's bale is baled. I could go home and mess around with the round baler for a couple hours and see if I can get that to go, but it's almost 5 o'clock in the afternoon. I better get this put away and good enough, I guess. Well, it did start to work at the this end. That's a nice bale there. Grand total bales, 57 bales. And about 40 of them are marshmallows, so that's nice. So a little chunk of windrow right up here. And I didn't see it when I was cutting, but seen it when I was raking. There's a sheet of tin in there. Must have been in the last fall, because the disc vine wouldn't shred a piece of tin up like that. It must have been from the county with their brush hog, and the whole grader ditch here was all chunks of tin. So I'm just gonna leave that there, probably just maybe pitch it in the forward there, or the gator. I've gotten picked off up almost a tin that I found on the ground, so I didn't know. I looked some to the windrow and I found chunks here and there, and I figured I wasn't going to find it all, and I didn't want to bail that crap up. So yeah, so a little fixing to do on the baler. Still didn't get the nodder problem fixed. When I started losing pressures, I said to heck with it, I got enough stuff going wrong. Worry about the stupid knot too, so there's some adjusting I gotta do yet, so yeah. Now we gotta move bales when my other skid loader comes back. So we'll get that done and put this thing away and go from there, I guess. There, that's one thing I like about this baler. All my other baler had it too. It's got a bale ejector, so these fingers here, it's 4 on the side, and it's a rack, it's a cylinder underneath. Right there, and it pushes your bales out. So that's really nice. You ain't got to clean your baler out, so the baler cleans itself out. Alright, figured I'd show you that. It's nice to have that, I know that's for sure. Oh, I started doing chores and I just had like, why don't I look on this baler? This is my junk baler I got sitting out back here. These solenoids should be the same. I don't know why I didn't think about that. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pull these off and try it on my other baler. See what happens. So yeah. Take these knotters off too and try one of them on the baler. The reason why I kept this thing around for parts. I don't know why I didn't think about it today. Just yeah, this should work. Alright. Well, I'm gonna keep going at my chores. I'll go back in the jungle back here and look at stuff. And there, in case you're starting to move bales, and I gotta do my chores here, and it'll help when I get on cleaning the barn anyways, and yeah, go at it. So, well guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. See ya.